Kodak PixPro AZ405 is being promoted as a powerful budget camera with massive zoom. But the real question is whether it's actually good or just another cheap camera with impressive specs on paper. The idea sounds great. A DSLR-style camera with 40x optical zoom, manual controls, and a low price. Now, the concept behind this isn't completely fake. The AZ405 is a real bridge camera, a category designed to give you long zoom and simple controls without needing interchangeable lenses. However, here's the key point. The Kodak PixPro AZ405 is good for zoom, but weak in overall image quality and performance. There are some positives. First, the zoom is the biggest selling point. The camera offers a 40x optical zoom, 24 to 960 millimeters equivalent, which lets you capture distant subjects that smartphones simply can't reach. Second, it's very affordable. Compared to most cameras, it sits in the budget range, making it accessible for beginners. Third, it's beginner-friendly. With auto modes, manual options, and a DSLR-style grip, it's easy to learn basic photography. It also uses AA batteries, which can be convenient for travel or emergencies. That said, there are some major downsides. First, image quality is below average. Reviews consistently point out that photos are worse than even mid-range smartphones, especially in low-light or high-contrast scenes. Second, performance is slow. Autofocus, shot-to-shot speed, and general responsiveness can feel laggy, which makes it frustrating for moving subjects. Third, the screen and usability aren't great. The display can be hard to see in bright light, and there's no viewfinder, which limits usability outdoors. And, importantly, the small sensor limits quality. Like most cheap bridge cameras, it uses a small sensor, which struggles with detailed, dynamic range and low-light performance. Real user sentiment also reflects this trade-off. Good for the price, but image quality and performance are disappointing. Decent in daylight, poor in low light. So, is the Kodak PixPro AZ405 any good? It depends on what you need. If you want a cheap camera with huge zoom, something for wildlife, travel, or distant subjects, a beginner-friendly learning camera, then yes, it can be worth it. But if you want sharp, high-quality photos, fast performance, a real upgrade over your smartphone, then no, it's probably not a great choice. The bottom line is this. The Kodak PixPro AZ405 is a budget zoom camera that trades image quality for reach. It's useful for long-distance shots, but overall performance is limited, so it's only worth it if zoom is your top priority. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.